Welcome back to the channel at CarAug 765, the place where classic metal, real stories, and true automotive passion come together. If you love old-school trucks, American history on wheels, and machines that were built to work hard and last long, then you are absolutely in the right place. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell icon so you never miss a deep review of legendary cars and trucks like the one we are talking about today. Today we are taking a close and honest look at a true American icon, the 1972 Ford F-100. This truck is not just a vehicle, it is a symbol of strength, simplicity, and reliability from a golden era of pickup trucks. The early 1970s were a time when trucks were still built like tanks, focused more on durability than luxury, and the 1972 Ford F-100 stands proudly as one of the best examples of that philosophy. The 1972 model year belongs to the fifth generation of the Ford F-Series, a generation that many enthusiasts consider one of the most beautiful and balanced designs Ford ever created. When you first look at the 1972 Ford F-100, the design feels honest and purposeful. The straight body lines, the bold front grille, and the wide stance all give this truck a confident presence. It does not try to look fancy, but it naturally commands respect. This is the kind of truck that looks just as good parked outside a farmhouse as it does cruising down a city street. One of the most appreciated features of the 1972 F-100 is its classic front end. The grille design is simple yet strong, with horizontal lines that emphasize width and power. The round headlights give it a friendly but tough face, a perfect balance between work and style. The hood sits long and flat, reminding you that there is serious muscle underneath, even before you turn the key. The body of the truck is solid and well proportioned. Ford engineers focused on practicality, so everything had a reason. The bed was wide and deep enough for real work, whether it was hauling tools, farm supplies, or construction materials. At the same time, the truck did not feel oversized, which made it easier to drive compared to some of the heavier trucks of later decades. This balance is one of the reasons why the 1972 Ford F-100 remains so popular among collectors and restomod builders today. Step inside the cabin, and you are immediately transported to a time when interiors were simple, functional, and built to last. The dashboard layout is straightforward, with large, easy-to-read gauges that tell you exactly what you need to know. There are no distractions, no unnecessary screens, just pure mechanical honesty. The steering wheel is big and solid, giving you a feeling of full control over the truck. The bench seat is wide and comfortable, designed for long hours of driving or working. Vinyl and basic fabric were commonly used, not for luxury but for durability. Everything inside the cabin feels tough and ready for daily use. This is a truck that was meant to be used, not just admired, and that is part of its charm. Under the hood, the 1972 Ford F-100 offered a variety of engine options, allowing buyers to choose the level of power they needed. The base inline-six engines were known for their reliability and fuel efficiency for the time. These engines may not have been fast, but they were incredibly dependable, perfect for owners who needed a truck that would start every morning and keep going no matter what. For those who wanted more power, Ford offered V8 options that truly defined the F-100 experience. The V8 engines delivered strong torque, making the truck capable of towing, hauling, and handling tough jobs with ease. The sound of a classic Ford V8 from this era is music to the ears of any truck enthusiast. It is deep, raw, and full of character, something modern trucks simply cannot replicate. Driving the 1972 Ford F-100 is a unique experience that feels very different from modern pickups. There are no driving modes, no electronic assists, and no complicated systems. What you get is a direct connection between you, the road, and the machine. The steering feels heavy but honest, the suspension is firm but capable, and every bump reminds you that you are driving a real truck. On the road, the F-100 feels stable and confident. It is not designed for speed, but it cruises comfortably and feels planted at highway speeds. Around town, it turns heads everywhere it goes. People notice it, not because it is flashy, but because it represents a time when vehicles were built with pride and purpose. One of the most impressive aspects of the 1972 Ford F-100 is its durability. Many of these trucks are still on the road today, more than 5 decades later. That alone tells you everything you need to know about their build quality. Owners often talk about how these trucks survived years of hard work, rough roads, and minimal maintenance, yet they continue to run strong. Because of its simple mechanical design, the F-100 is also relatively easy to maintain and restore. Parts are widely available, and there is a huge aftermarket support for customization. Some owners prefer to keep their trucks completely original, preserving that classic look and feel. Others choose to modernize them with updated suspensions, brakes, and engines, creating the perfect blend of old-school style and modern performance. The 1972 model year is especially loved because it represents the final years before stricter emissions regulations and design changes started to alter the character of American trucks. This makes the 1972 Ford F-100 one of the last truly raw and unfiltered pickups from Ford. It carries the spirit of freedom, hard work, and American craftsmanship in its purest form. From a collector's point of view, the value of the 1972 Ford F-100 has been steadily rising. Clean, well-maintained examples are becoming harder to find, and prices continue to climb. This truck is no longer just a workhorse, it is now a classic that people proudly restore, show, and pass down through generations. What truly makes the 1972 Ford F-100 special is the emotional connection it creates. For many people, it reminds them of their father's or grandfather's truck. It brings back memories of road trips, job sites, farms, and simple times when life moved at a slower pace. This emotional value is something money cannot buy, and it is a big reason why classic trucks like this are so deeply loved. Even today, the design of the F-100 influences modern truck styling. You can see hints of its bold lines and strong proportions in today's Ford pickups. That is the legacy of a truly great design, one that continues to inspire decades later. If you are someone who appreciates authenticity, strength, and history, the 1972 Ford F-100 is a truck that deserves your respect. It may not have the comfort or technology of modern pickups, but what it offers instead is character, soul, and a driving experience that feels real and rewarding. At CarAug 765, we celebrate machines like this because they tell stories. They remind us where the automotive world came from and why we fell in love with cars and trucks in the first place. The 1972 Ford F-100 is not just reviewed, it is appreciated, respected, and admired for what it represents. If you enjoyed this deep and honest review, make sure you subscribe to the channel at CarAug 765 for more classic truck reviews, vintage car stories, and real automotive passion. Like the video, share it with fellow truck lovers, and comment below to tell us what you think about the 1972 Ford F-100. Until the next video, keep the classics alive and keep the passion burning.